As we celebrate the 2025 Line Workers Appreciation Day, allow me to highlight the significant contributions of our own, their dedication and commitment to get the work done and in no time. Sa atin pong mga manggagawa sa linya ng kuryente, ibinabahagi ko po sa inyo ang aking mainit na pagsaludo sa mga araw-araw na ginagawa ninyong sakripisyo para maisakatuparan ang mga trabaho. Kayo lang ang may kakayahan na makagawa. It is with great pride and honor to give my salute to you and thank you for giving me the opportunity to lead living heroes like you. Allow me to express my sincerest gratitude for your sacrifices, no matter how hot the day or no matter how drenched you are in the rain. These are visible signs na inuunan nyo muna ang kapakanan ng iba bago ang sarili. During this celebration, you deserve more than the appreciation and praise. More than this, you and your families deserve all of you to be on their side. Let me say that you always take care of your health and always consider safety first standard whenever you embark on your daily tasks. Some people are always waiting for you back in your respective homes. Finally, allow me again to say thank you for your services not only to the electric cooperative but to the public that we faithfully serve. Dakal pong salamat kaya kayungan at sana midinan kayo pang dakalasikan ng Diyos mahipaya para agampanan kaya kayong obra na ating malasakit karing balang metong at taong kaya katamong pagsigyan. Again, happy Line Workers Appreciation Day.